Hello customers, in this video, I am going to show you how to use the bulletin board. First, you just need to log into your admin access account. And then as you can see, if the bulletin board was enabled in our system, like for example, here, if this feature was on, you will be able to see the bulletin board tab here. You just need to click on that and wait for it to load, then I will show you how to set it up. So the bulletin board in Open Time Clock is a feature that allows administrators or managers to post messages or important updates to employees within the system. It is a central location for communication between managers or administrators and the employees. So it is primarily used for internal communication. So it will prompt the message in the login page of Open Time Clock. It helps ensure that all the employees have easy access to important information to foster a more organized and informed workplace. So once we switch this to on, you have an option to design your bulletin. Like for example, we want to have it in color and then the text color background in pink, and then the text color is for example you want it to go in black, and then what is the font size, you can adjust that here as well. Then of course the text content you can add here specific announcements or greetings, so let's say for example it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Here and then save the changes. So how can an employee see this bulletin board message? Then we just need to go ahead and try to log in as an employee here. And then as you can see, once it's loaded, you will be able to see the bulletin board here or the message from the admin or the manager who set it up, the bulletin board message here. So it can be a greetings or an announcement to all the employees. So that's how our bulletin board works in Open Time Clock. Thank you.